Confirmations. Mua Baradar, senior Taliban leader, returns to Kabul with his own security. US officials were expected to press the Taliban to allow Americans and others to leave Afghanistan, and Russia to host international talks with Taliban October 19, 2021, as predicted by clairvoyant Stoyanka Staikova in her blog post published September 15, 2021. Hottest news predictions 2021. Abdul Ghani Baradar, Mua Baradar, Taliban co-founder and deputy leader of Afghanistan. Clairvoyant reading, psychic predictions, September 5th, 2021, by Clairvoyant House, Dimitrinka Staikova and daughters, Stoyanka and Evelina Staikova from Europe, Bulgaria, Varna. Published in our blog posts, dimitrinkastykova.wordpress.com and dimitrinkastykova.weebly.com. Our blog's hottest news predictions, psychic news. Our paperback books in Amazon, www.amazon.com. Search Dimitrinka Staikova. Clairvoyant reading to Abdul Ghani Baradar, Taliban co-founder in Afghanistan, September 15, 2021, by Clairvoyant Stoyanka Staikova. Photo, August 2021. Time after the photo. Mua Baradar's health. I see a severe pain at the back of the head and the neck. Pain and problems with teeth and jaw. Ill heart. During heavy emotions, the pain in the heart is increasing, and that scares him. He suffers from severe pain at the left part of the stomach. I see ill kidneys and prostate. Problems with the bowels, intestines, and what is very painful for him, severe pain at the legs, which is making him immobilized in certain moments. Behind his back, Abdul Ghani Baradar is seeing a wall of warriors, paid with a huge amount of money, which I see managed by 4 people. Media confirmation 1. But now he is seeing how the money are ending. The Taliban are starting to search incomes by the illegal business of Afghanistan. For that purpose, they distribute the regions under their authority. September 2021. I see a man, Taliban leader, which is crossed out, death, assassination, murder in a car. October 2021. I see 7 people and a prison, jail. Many people traveling from east to west, but they are like trapped. November 2021. I see the building of the Afghan government, an assassination bomb attack by the air, and the upper part of the building, and laterally a big sum of money is paid for a specific murder. December 2021. I see Mua Baradar to travel with a big powerful car, vehicle. I see a travel, meetings, signing of contracts and reconnaissance. There are upcoming many business deals for the Taliban, selling of weapons and prisoners. Media confirmation 2. Business with Russians and Asia. Media confirmation 3. Media confirmation 1. Mua Baradar, senior Taliban leader and Afghan deputy PM, returns to Kabul with his own security, October 6, 2021. Kabul, Mua Baradar, the top Taliban leader and the deputy prime minister in the new Afghanistan government, has returned to capital Kabul and assumed his duties. According to media reports, upon his return to Kabul, Baradar is being guarded by his own security men. The influential Taliban leader has refused to take security from the Interior Ministry, which is being headed by Sirajuddin Haqqani of the Haqqani Network. Media confirmation 2. Taliban says US will provide humanitarian aid to Afghanistan, October 11, 2021. During the meeting, US officials were expected to press the Taliban to allow Americans and others to leave Afghanistan. Media confirmation 3. Russia to host international talks with Taliban as Putin looks for gains in U.S. absence, October 19, 2021. In talks involving representatives of Russia, China, and Pakistan on Tuesday, the countries expressed joint interest in providing urgent humanitarian and economic assistance for Afghanistan, according to the statement of the Russian Foreign Ministry. E-books and books with clairvoyant psychic readings available in Amazon. Hottest news predictions by clairvoyant house Dimitrinka Staikova and daughters Stoyanka and Evelina Staikova. Click here to see more of our ebooks and paperback books in Amazon.